Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to do this in one shot, and I am driving while I'm shooting this video, but I want to go ahead and just touch on everything that's been happening with the Suretrader thing, and for people that have Suretrader and that are going through the same thing, and my situation, it's a fucked up situation, and I'm more upset today than I was yesterday. So yesterday I was out, well, rewind to Wednesday, and I didn't trade Wednesday because I was up all night editing videos, and I didn't sleep much. My emotional quotient just wasn't there, so I just decided I wasn't gonna trade. So I didn't even open up my platform. I didn't do anything. The guys in my chat room, I told them good morning, I'm not trading, that's it. And that's I went about my day. About 5 o'clock in the afternoon, I get a DM from someone asking questions about Suretrader, and it just kind of awkward. I answered them. They were about borrows and things like that. Let them know that I don't even really look at the short or anything anymore, because they don't have any type of locate feature or anything, so I don't even worry about it. I've shorted maybe once something that was easy to borrow in the past 2 months. So I just let them know that I've been trading options more, and just going long off of my setup. Now, yesterday I was pretty upset. So I was pretty upset because as most of you guys know, I had to start all the way over on my account, with a small account, and build it up. I was 4,000 away from getting over PDT in order to being able to wire out into another account. So I got to take some of the responsibility here, because I made the decision to go ahead and use them as my broker. I know that they're an offshore broker. I know who owns the broker. That's the decision that I made personally to go ahead and, progress forward. So I take responsibility on that part, and I can't be 100% upset, because, I have to take some sort of responsibility for it too. I'll figure it out. I've always figured it out, and I always will figure it out. So if something, if it winds up coming that I'm not able to go ahead and get the money back, or something, happens, well, whatever. I'll figure it out. But I called the Bahamas Security Exchange yesterday, and they told me that they could not comment on the situation, that there's an investigation going on, and that they would not comment any further on it. And I asked if you could confirm or deny that trading would resume on Tuesday, and then they said that they could not comment on anything. They would not confirm or nor deny, and that they just to expect not to trade any longer until further notice. That's all I was told. I asked to speak to a supervisor, and same thing. And so I know these people in the Bahamas are going through a lot of shit right now. I'm not going to press them. They have bigger things to worry about than someone harassing them while they're at work. You know what I mean? So I let it go. And I went about my day. And if I was going to, cry like a bitch and get all upset, then I just got off on the wrong fucking exit. If I was to curl up and cry about it, nothing's gonna make it. That's not gonna make it better. That's not gonna make it better, me being upset about it. So what I can do though is wait it out, have a good clear mentality, take a little break from trading, and kind of reset, and use this time to go ahead and reset, and plan my next move for when I do go ahead and get over PDT. So that's what I did. I vented to some trader friends. I vented to some support that I have, and I moved on. But then this morning, right, so that I moved on so much that I'm making jokes and making memes about the whole Suretrader thing this morning. So it's a fucked up situation. Anyways, then this morning, I wake up, and it's totally throws off my routine, that I'm not able to go ahead and trade, or even look at my platform. You know what I mean? And for the most part, there, I only use Suretrader for the level 2 montage to execute trades. Everything else, my technical system is based on Thinkorswim. So the only thing I need is the montage, and to be able to go ahead and execute pretty much. Now with that being said, then I have traffic arraignment court. I go to traffic arraignment court, whatever, that's fine. I get done with that, you know, whatever. And then, I mean, then I'm, you know, I come out and I see, like, I've been playing Netflix and Amazon almost every single day on options, and I've been waiting for them to fucking break to the downside. Like, no joke, like, I'm, you know, that was what I was playing for, and it fucking broke today. Like, to add salt to the Suretrader wound, for the trade that you've been stalking that could go ahead and make your whole year, and you've been patient for over a month to go ahead and make this damn trade, right? It happened today and I missed it. Like, and that's what I'm more upset about, the missed opportunity, because of what happened with them more than anything else. And there's a cop right here. I'm gonna get pulled over and have to go to fucking court again. So I'm upset, guys. Like, I'm upset. Like, you guys know my situation of, you know, I was over PDT. I was, you know, living well, and I started all over, you know, grinding, you know, making this account. The whole shit with Suretrader happened, and, you know, the trading is suspended. I'll be I mean, my life is a soap opera. It's a trading soap opera with the way that it is. It's fucked up. Like, I'm upset about it. And I mean, if I have to build another account over PDT again, I don't know. We'll see when we cross that bridge, if we have to go ahead and get there, but it's just ridiculous. So, you know, more than anything, I hate missed opportunity, and for me to go ahead and see Roku, Amazon, Netflix, to go ahead and do what they did today, and, you know, break their supports on the way that, you know, and it would have put me well over PDT, and it would have, like, and this is all hindsight, or, you know, whatever. I didn't trade it. You know, if you guys want to talk shit that I'm saying woulda, coulda, shoulda, you know, go fuck yourself. I don't even care at this point, because, I mean, I know how I trade, and I would have made enough money for PDT wouldn't even have been a question at all anymore, and I would have been well off for a little bit. But anyways, I just wanted to go ahead and make a quick video about, like, how you know, the whole Suretrader thing, and, you know, my experience, and, you know, everything that's going on with it. You know, if you want my opinion on what is going to go ahead and happen, I don't fucking care. I'm just gonna go along with what they do say. And the Securities Exchange, I believe the way that it's written in their bylaws is that they could force Suretrader to go ahead and, you know, pay us out. But who knows if that's gonna happen? Like, I don't necessarily care. Like, in all reality, I'm out $2,000 that was funded into the account. Like, I made the rest of the money, right? I made the rest of the money, but it wasn't money that I put into it. You know what I mean? So, whatever. We'll start all over. I'll find a different way, or, you know, whatever. We'll cross that bridge once we get there. So, but I really don't care what happens. I just want a determination, you know, for what is going to happen, so I could plan my next move. But anyways, just wanted to go ahead and talk about that, and you guys have a good rest of your day. Remember to stay always money biased, guys.